Hello everyone and welcome to MHC Tech Talks. In today's video we are going to do the unboxing of this rough pad from Portronics. So guys, this is an amazing product and the few of the specifications are written in the box. So this is like easy electronic writing, extra large space, smart lock is provided, long battery life, single tap erase and all those functionalities written. So the MRP of this rough pad is $7.99, but you can get this from Amazon at 500 rupees. So let's find out like what actually is this rough pad and where you can use it. So I'll quickly open the box and let's see what are all the box contents. So we just have the rough pad itself, nothing much is provided, no charger, nothing is provided in this one. Anyways, in 500 rupees device you cannot expect much. Then we have this stylus kind of thing which we can use to jot down our notes, and then finally we have this lock switch button which helps us to, if you don't want to erase it, you just need to keep it locked and your data would be saved. So this is how it looks. It is a clean slate which we used to have back in our days, and this is the pen. So let's see what I'll write some notes here. To do list. So the first one is make videos, and second is subscribe. So guys, you can also subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Third is hit bell icon. So what are you waiting for? Just subscribe and hit the bell icon. So this is how you can write notes in this rough pad, and if you click on this erase button, everything would be vanished. So this is something very good for your kids if they are learning how to write, or if you want something like if your work involves a lot of writing, you can make use of this and thereby save papers and thereby contribute to saving environment. So guys, this was the quick unboxing of Portronics Ruffpad 8.5. I hope you like this small video, and I'll see you guys in another one. Thank you.